Hello, today I want to show you how to run IntelliPy using the Windows exe. So you can only use this if you are running Windows operating system. Yes, and if you don't want to use pip for installing IntelliPy. First you have to visit the IntelliPy Github page that is given here and also linked in the video description. And then you have to scroll down, go to the installation and launching section and to the point using the Intelli Here you can click this link in order to download the zipped directory, and then you can go to our downloads. Here we have the zip directory already. You can unzip it, for example using 7-zip or some other program. And after unzipping, you can go into this IntelliPy directory, scroll down and just start intelli.exe. You don't have to have Python installed or any other packages. Everything is already packed in this exe. So now you can run your IntelliPy experiment analysis, like using the nosepoke and visit.txt file, and then in this case I use the group assignment file as I have a sucrose experiment at some hour intervals, because I also want to have 12-hour and 6-hour bins for my analysis. I want to exclude nosepokes without leaks, treat sucrose and correct both as correct labels, and submit. Of course you can choose the settings just as you like. It was just one example. So the analysis is already done. You can press a key to close the window, and here are the results. We only have one learning module in this example file. These example files are also provided here on GitHub, by the way. Going to the example data, and then we have the different files here. Yeah, then we have the log file, and here, for example, the pivot data of these example files, and all the plots are created here, as well as all calculations. Here the daily 12 and 6-hour time bin look the same because data is in this case only about a period of some hours, less than 6. But yeah, that's already everything you have to know about how to run IntelliPy without installing it, just using the intelli.exe file. Okay, thank you.